northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County, southwestern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Zionsville to near Gilbertsville to near New Morgan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing damage across portions of Bergen County. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, public. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Pottstown, Lansdale, Crookshantown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Soudan, Bedminster, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Royersford, Chalfont, Tinicum, Trapp, Hatfield, East Greenville, Dublin, Schwenksville, and Stumptown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 304. Northeast extension between mile markers 27 and 48. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent clouds are rising during these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Hunter, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania.